I've been working in the technology space since the mid-'80s, and I've seen three total revolutions: silicon, the internet, and blockchain. I'm Bill Tai. I'm a venture capitalist, and I'm an advisor to AirSwap. If you think about the impact on communications of the telephone, before, people used to just kind of talk to each other, and when the telephone was invented, everybody got a phone number. The phone number became their representation to the world expressed in a phone book. So any person could basically look somebody up, punch in their number, and go from point A to point B to have a dialogue. That happened with web pages with IP addresses. Now we're at the point where every asset can have a digital identifier. Why that's interesting? It's an enormous market. There will be companies in our generation that are organizing the world's assets. And if you look at organizing the world's information, that produced some giants. Organizing the world's people, giants. Organizing the world's assets is probably 2 to 5 orders of magnitude larger. My good friend Hernando de Soto, an economist, he wrote a book called The Mystery of Capital, and it basically defines the foundational building block of capitalism as clear title to an asset. I had read The Mystery of Capital 15 years ago, and it sat in my head for 15 years. And when I realized what blockchain did, I said, wow, I can basically automate everything he's done. If you think about the early days of Bitcoin and Ethereum, you have really cool technology that is very powerful, but it's really hard to explain. And AirSwap is basically putting a user interface layer on top of that to bring the value of that technology to a very big problem set, which is how does any individual anywhere in the world buy and sell something with security and liquidity? When you can combine an enormous market with a fantastic team and an opportunity that's well-timed, great things are going to happen.